Hi everyone. So I went to the mall yeah, day before yesterday and did some shopping and thought of showing you guys what I bought. And this shopping, this entire list that I had was like pending for almost 2-3 months when I was not keeping well, and then I was recovering and blah blah blah. So I thought, take the advantage of the moment and buy whatever was on my mind. And I have to show you a couple of things that I have purchased, and then there are a couple of things that were sent to me by the brand, and a couple of new launches. So I hope you guys enjoy this whole video. So first up, there are a couple of lipsticks that I picked from MAC, and I wanted to buy their retro matte lipsticks only because I really like the Ruby Woo formula, and I had to repurchase Ruby Woo because the previous one, the one that I had before, I gave it to my sister-in-law because she really liked that shade, so I gave it to her. I bought another one for me, and along with Ruby Woo, I purchased All Fired Up and Flat Out Fabulous as well, because Flat Out Fabulous was like my kind of shade. So I'll just quickly show you the shades I've got. So first up is Ruby Woo. I am dead sure all of you know what Ruby Woo is. It's like one of the classic MAC shades. This is how Ruby Woo looks. It's a beautiful matte red formula, and if you ask me, if you are new to red shades and you ask me where you should start from, I'll highly recommend buying Ruby Woo, because I have seen this shade working on all complexions, all tones, everybody. This shade works on everyone. So this is such a pretty shade. So it's Ruby Woo. MAC has recently hiked up prices of their lipsticks, and now their lipsticks cost $14.50, so which is like a bummer. I have also got this Flat Out Fabulous, which is a beautiful purple. Yeah, can you see? It's a beautiful purple. I'll have a separate video up for my favorite these matte lipsticks from MAC, and then you will be able to see how these lipsticks look on me. And the third shade I picked is All Fired Up. I don't know why I didn't pick it before, but I had to buy it this time. This is All Fired Up. It's a pink based red. I had a similar kind of lipstick from Faces. I think it would be very similar to it. I'll do a separate dupe post if these guys are similar to each other, because that lipstick costs like 600 bucks and this one is for 14.50. So this was All Fired Up. And the fourth shade that, you guys have already seen this shade in one of my recent videos. This is Fast Play by MAC. It's a neutral everyday shade, mauvish plum tone. So this is Fast Play. Those three were retro matte finish, and this one is from Amplified Cream Finish. Next, this is a repurchase. This is Forest Essentials Rose Toner Tonic. Not tonic, this is like rose water facial mist. I use this face mist as a toner. So in one of the Jabong sales, I've got couple of Makeup Revolution eyeshadow singles, and I might do a separate video or a post on these soon. These were like for $2.50 each, and I think these, it was a very good deal. I swatched one or two for you. I've got this shade called Envy. This is Envy. It's like a not exactly a matte, but it's not too okay. I've already swatched a couple of lipsticks. So this is how Envy looks. And so I've swatched it at such a weird place, but this is how Envy looks. Can you see? It's like just one swatch, and the shade is like such a great. It's such a good shade. If you love smoky eyes, you'll love this shade. Then I'll quickly swatch Cappuccino, which is a beautiful everyday kind of a shade, and I swatch it. See, can you see it? I'm not sure if you can. It's very subtle. It's like a champagne shade, which can very well be used as a highlighter. I'll quickly apply it. I'm not sure how good it looks. Does it look good? I'm sorry, I don't have a mirror here, so I cannot see. I just have to rely on the viewfinder. So even if I look like a clown, you should not laugh. So I've applied Cappuccino very sparingly. So this is how Cappuccino look. Then I have I Won't Be Alone, which is like creepy. You won't be alone. I'll follow you everywhere. It's like a very beautiful purple eyeshadow. I'll swatch it also next to this. This is how I won't be alone looks. It's a bit sheer, right? See? So it might need a base. Then up next is Temptress. See, this is how Temptress looks. And it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. It's so pigmented. Can you see? It's so pigmented. It's a beautiful green. It's like a mermaid green. I'm not sure. So I'm not going to swatch all of these because you'll get bored. So I'll do a separate video or I'll do a look with these eyeshadows so that you guys can have an idea, because these are like a very good deal. 250 for one eyeshadow, and you get like a pan which is almost like 3.3 grams, and I think it's an amazing deal. So these eyeshadows are really creamy and really good to work with. Then Givenchy sent me couple of products, and I really want to show you guys these products because these are like high-end products, and I always used to go to Givenchy's counter but never picked anything from them because everything was like quite expensive and I was not sure about the quality. I'll be very honest with you guys. But then I got a chance to meet Ajoy Sen Gupta, who is like national trainer and makeup artist of Givenchy India, and he tried a lot of Givenchy products on my face. I already have a makeover video on my channel. I'll link that also in the description bar. And I really like the makeover. I really like how products looked on me. So there are a couple of products they shared with me. This is like a cream eyeshadow from Givenchy. It's called Blue Soy. I don't know, S-O-I-E. So this is how this eyeshadow looks. Can you see it's beautiful? I haven't even used it yet, so I might use it in my future videos as a base, or we'll see how does it go. So this is like Givenchy eyeshadow. This eyeshadow costs rupees 1900 bucks, which is like quite expensive, right? And the other product that I've got is like Paradise liner, and I was really excited to see that they have given me an eyeliner in brown. I somehow like brown eyeliners a lot. They are like a nice change. I like brown and blue because they're like a very nice change from the regular black eyeliner. So this stuff cost like good 2000 bucks, this eyeliner. And the most exciting thing that I got was my first Givenchy lipstick, and can you see the packaging? It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a pure, it's a genuine leather. It's a pure leather. This cover, the outer piece, and this is the shade. Shade is like coral. I cannot pronounce it. It's coral decolette. I don't know. Decolle. I don't know. I'm not sure about the color because, like I said before, I'm not into corals. So we'll see. I'll have to make it work. So this is how the shade looks actually. I mean, the shade is really pretty. So, and this, I mean, I have swatched Lakmé lip tints because I have just done a video before the filming this video. So these lipsticks, these Givenchy lipsticks cost like 2700, around 2800 rupees. Then I purchased these Maybelline eyebrow fashion brow duo shaper, and I used it today for the first time, and I'll tell you, I really like this product. You guys can see I have used the shades number 2, which was like a grey. I'm so sorry, it's not written anywhere because I've just peeled off the cover, but this was the grey shade which is available. I bought this grey shade because I was kind of doubtful about the other shade which was like brown. It would have looked good on me. So this grey kind of blended really well with my natural hair color. So it's like a dual-ended product. So it has the brow color on one end, which is like a grey. This is how it's a grey. And the best part is that, see, I do not like eyebrow products that are too creamy because then there are chances that you will make error and you'll overdo it and you look like it will look like stage makeup. So you won't like to do that. So the pencil is like the tip is like very thin, so that you can draw strokes or you can just outline your brows. And on the other end there is brow powder. This is how it looks. So this is the brow powder. This is the brow powder and this is the pencil. So I have used this brow powder on the starting, and this is starting of my eyebrow because naturally you have less hair here, this side is like sparse, and then you have, I mean, thicker or very, you know, arched brow hair. So I use this powder on the start of my eyebrows and the pencil on the rest of. I shaved it and missed it. Only thing I missed is like a spoolie, but you cannot have a spoolie because it already has two products on both the ends. So you have to use a separate spoolie or a separate eyebrow brush to brush in the product in place. But I really like this product. It's not very creamy, that you will not make errors with it, and it costs like 200 and something, like 280 bucks, so which is a really good deal. So thumbs up from my end. I really like this product, and I'm going to use it in future videos, so you'll see me using it also. The next product that I purchased, it's like something I always wanted to buy. These are like Inglot matte lipsticks. I have already placed an order for one more, but I have not received it. My camera battery might die. This is Inglot matte lipstick, shade number 426. The next product that I really like and use is like this LA Pro concealer. I have already used, I've got this set of 3 concealers, and this costed like 1100 or 1200 bucks, and I really like this product. I will be doing a review, or will do in my future tutorials and tell you how I like this product. This was like for 1200 and I got it from Global eBay. Next up was like another Inglot product. This is Inglot AMC Crayon. This is number 22. I've already featured this in my favorite everyday lipsticks. It's like a beautiful brown with pink tones. I'll swatch it here. Then I bought these Maybelline creamy matte lipsticks, but I was so disappointed to see that they have like out of 14 shades, almost 11 shades were like very light. I mean, they will wash me out. There was like light orange, light cream, light pink. I didn't understand, so I bought only 2 shades. I liked only 2 shades. One was red, and this other one was like a plum shade. And these are like for 325 bucks. So the packaging is almost similar to Color Show, but the case is like matte, and Color Show has a shiny case. This is the shade. This is Madly Magenta, but it's not a magenta shade. It's a plummy shade. And the formula is creamy matte, so obviously true to its name, it's a creamy matte shade. Still sure. The next shade that I picked is like Hot Chili, which is like a beautiful red. So I just picked these 2 shades because the rest of the shades were way too light for me. I was like seriously disappointed. Why you did that, Maybelline? Why? Then my friend Rashmi arranged couple of these miniatures for me. This is Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is a deluxe sample. So I really wanted to buy this setting powder for the longest time, but it's not available in India. It's really expensive. So this miniature was like a good deal for me. I got this. And the next product I got was from Becca. This is my first Becca product. This is Shimmering Skin Perfector in shade Opal. I'll be using it very soon in my video. And can you see how cute this sample looks? And I think this is like more appropriate. This is the perfect size because I won't even be able to use it up. So this is Becca Opal Skin Perfector. So you will be seeing me using this in the future videos. Then I got a little teeny mini cutie size of the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. This is number 400 and it's such a pretty red. And I'm sure I'll get an idea of how the product is by using it, and then I might place an order from strawberry.net because Giorgio Armani is not available in India. I wanted to talk about kit from Faces. This is like Faces has collaborated with the Trunk Label. Trunk Label is Vipasha Basu's brand. She is the creative director of Trunk Label, and they have come up with really cool kit. This kit has everything that you need to get ready in 60 seconds. So that's very, big claim. To get ready in 60 seconds for a woman is a challenge, right? So the kit comes in this beautiful, this kit is available in like I guess 5 variants. So the one I picked is Scarlet Siren. It's like a red themed kit. So what I've got inside is our Faces products. This is beautiful red nail paint, and the name of the nail paint is, okay, I've got a nail paint which is tinted red, and a black eyeliner pencil which is like longer eye pencil. If you have ever tried Faces eye pencil, you will know these eye pencils don't budge. So I was really happy to see a black eyeliner eye pencil there, that can be used as a liner or a kohl. Then I got a long Ultim Pro long wear lipstick in shade Red Addict. This is Red Addict. This is a warm tone red, like a quite an orangey red. I'll just swatch it. See, very orangey, very creamy. But I've heard that these lipsticks stay on for a long time. Then the second last thing is this Ultim Pro lip cream. I have one of these in Grape Martini and it's amazing. This is Red Mary and it's a red liquid lipstick. So I'll swatch it. So it's quite a good red. It's like a deeper red. So I really like it. And one thing I got really surprised because the entire kit costs 2,500. But if you calculate the cost of the individual products, this kit is like more. The products inside the kit are like more than 3,500 or 4,000 bucks. And the most exciting thing of this kit is this beautiful necklace. This is like a pearl necklace and the quality of this necklace is amazing because it doesn't feel cheap. It's quite heavy and it's like a pearl necklace. So this is how it looks on me and I'm sure I'm going to wear it. I do not wear imitation jewelry. You might already have noticed it. Yeah, this is how the necklace looks. This is from the trunk label. There is the logo and this necklace alone costs 1,450 and I can see the quality. It's very much visible. The pearls are beautiful. Even this gold detailing, the gold chain is quite heavy. It's not like a flimsy cheap roadside kind of necklace. It's a beautiful necklace. This necklace can be worn on Indian or or a western outfit. So I really like this kit. You guys can go and check out this kit on the Trunk Label website. I'll have all the details in the description bar below. I know this video has gone a bit far from what I intended, so I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.